I continue to talk about my project. The next step is software development. The first step is to import the necessary libraries such as an LTK and counter from the collection module and simple GUI to create a GUI. The program has the following action algorithm: creating a graphical interface using simple GUI, waiting for the user to enter text, processing the entered text using an LTK, splitting the text into sentences using the send tokenize function, splitting each sentence into individual words using the word tokenize function, and removing stop words using the stop words English function. Calculation of the frequency of use of each word in the text using the counter class from the collection library. Selection of the most important words to describe the text of words are considered important if the frequency of use in the text is more than 30% of the frequency of the most frequently used words. Forming a description consisting of the selected most important words, which are combined into one line and first letter of the line becomes capitalized using the capitalized function. Displaying for the result using a pop-up window with a simple game. As a result, we will get a convenient application that uses keywords and main ideas when generating a short description. Thanks to this, we will get more accurate results. The analysis of the obtained results is an important component of the project development process, as it allows you to understand how successfully the set goals and objectives were achieved. Analysis allows you to evaluate the effectiveness of the project development, identify problems and shortcomings, as well as find ways to further improve and optimize the process. In the course of the work, I had to make a control example 3 times. Now I will demonstrate the very last one. After launching the program, the user interface opens. Thus, a window appears with a text field where you can enter or pass text. After pressing in the process button, the program processes the text, forms and description and display it in a pop-up window. Program execution statistics allow you to get information about how quickly and efficiently the program works, how many resources it uses, and whether errors or unexpected situations occur during its operation. Statistics also help to find possible problems in the operation of the program and make it more efficient and optimal. The execution time of the program depends on the size of the entered text and the computing capabilities of the computer on which it's executed. Program execution time can be reduced by optimizing algorithms and using distributed computing. The program doesn't specify a maximum number of words to process, so the maximum number of the words that the program can process depends on the size of the computer's RAM and the length of the entered text. However, depending on the amount of text, the program may run slower or faster. Program errors. The program may cause errors if incorrect data is entered by the user. In addition, you will also get an error if there are no installed libraries. An error in the text processing is also possible in the case of using complex foreign words. Advantages of this program. The program works quite quickly and efficiently in processing a large amount of text. Simple and clear interface, which makes it easy to use even for users with minimal experience in programming. In addition, our program automatically processes text and creates a description, reducing the need for manual selection for the most important words. The program provides the user with a convenient format of the results in a separate window. Easy of use and accessibility for everyone. Disadvantages of this program. Text processing is based on a simple approach which can lead to inaccurate results, especially when dealing with complex text. The program uses certain preset parameters that may not be suitable for all types of text. For example, a parameter with a sample of words whose frequency exceeded 30% may not give an accurate result for some texts. The user interface is quite simple and lacks many features that could provide more flexible text processing. Recommendation for this program. Consideration of other language. Currently the program works only with English language, but it's possible to add support for other languages. Using other methods to determine the most important words. The program determines the most important words using only the frequency of the occurrence. Perhaps there are more effective methods for identifying the most important words. Improving the user interface, possibly adding additional function for users' convenience, such as ability to save the results of the analysis, setting the program parameters, etc. Use of machine learning. The application may use machine learning techniques to better identify the most important words and improve text processing. The automatic generation of short text description based on keywords and main ideas is a useful and effective approach for creating concise summaries of text. During the development of such a system, various methods and tools were explored and structure of the program was carefully designed. Also, the program has some limitations, such as difficulty with misspelled words and punctuation. It can be improved through further algorithmic refinement and adding support for other languages. In the future, there is potential to use more advanced machine learning techniques and expand to the study to different classes of text and source of information. Overall, the automatic generation of short text description is a promising field in the natural language processing with a practical application for news articles, product reviews, scientific studies, and more. Thank you for attention.